Welcome to third video. Now I am going to discuss like using three-dimensional array and pointers, how to access three-dimensional array using pointers and the normal also. This is three-dimensional structure of array. Let me discuss. This is index number 0. This is index number 1. Okay. In that this is index number 0 and this is index number 1. Like this. This is index number 0. This is index number 1. And again in and this is like a nested. This is zeroth element. This is first element. So in the index number 1, this is index number 0. Okay. uh, how do we access like a normal and also pointer also. This is first is point. We will discuss pointer. Okay. this, this is first element. This is second element. Again first element. This is first element. That means it is a j value. J value 0, J value 1, K value 0, K value 1. This is K value 0, K value 1, K value 0, K value 1, K value 0, K value 1. That means if we want to access value I0, J0, K0, I0, J0, K1, 0, J1, K0, I value 0, J value 1, K value 1. Similarly, if everything is 1, I value 1, J value 1, K value 1. Like we access 20th value. Okay. This is like next for I and J and K. By printing, by using printing, get 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay. You understand, right? I will in next video I will explain how to use access using pointers.